Good evening, sir. My name is Kushal Pandya. My ID number is 22DCE060. And I am currently pursuing my degree in BTech C in Charusat. So today we have gathered for our SE practical, software engineering practical.
Yeah.
And today we are gathered for the SE practical. So my first question for you is what is your company name, first of all? And please introduce yourself first.
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat?
Please introduce yourself first.
Hi guys, I am Dhruv. Even I graduate from Charusat in 2020 batch. Then after till now, currently I'm working with Crash Data System as a site reliability engineer. So basically in that we are like managing customers all infrastructure, their day-to-day task like deployment. If their end customer is facing any type of issue, then we are responsible to work with them and figure out the issue and provide the best solution. Yeah, that's my day-to-day job at Crest right now.
What is your role in your company? Main.
I'm a site reliability engineer.
Okay. Have you worked in the team?
Yep.
Then how teamwork is very useful in project and in every situation?
So suppose we are going to let's say we are a customer. So if only person tries to write the whole code, we will write the code in Terraform for providing the infrastructure. Then if multiple people are writing that same code and they collaborate their codes and modules, then it will be very much easier. And if like one single person is doing that, then if by chance he makes any mistake, then it will affect customer. But if we do that in teamwork, then like we can highlight the other person's mistake and we can correct it before it goes to the production and everything. So there are many ways teamwork is much better than one player match.
Hello, sir. My name is Pagnar Vedant, and my ID number is 22DC059. So, as we talked about teamwork, so means how the different teams combine and work together. Means does it happen in your company or means individual works is only there?
Sorry, can you please repeat your question?
Means if there are means some teams like how collaborate, how do your company in your company the teams collaborate like different team means front end team, back end team, or management team,
Uh,
how that's work.
Yeah, so it's varies from project to project as Crest is a service-based company. So there are like many projects running. Which project I am working, it's in its scope. So in that, Crest developers develop that software. So whenever customer facing any type of issue, we first of all troubleshoot the issue. And if we found out that this particular issue is because of the software bug or anything miss in the software, then there is one Jira project which is known as service management tool.
Yes, yes.
So we create a bug request there and developer pick Jiras from there and they do the needful.
Mm.
Hello, sir. My name is Kalp. My ID is 22DC054. So basically, my question is DevOps and SRE is same or different?
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you please
Okay.
repeat for me?
Uh, I am saying that is DevOps and SRE same or different?
Are you asking is DevOps and SRE same or not, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
So 70 to 80% job is same in this both role, But the main difference is like DevOps just create the infrastructure and hand it over to the like team. So DevOps
Mm-hmm.
team is not responsible for after creating the infrastructure, but SRE is like helping to create infrastructure, and then after they are maintaining infrastructure as well, and they are correcting and implement new ideas as well in the infrastructure. So SRE is basically a combination of DevOps as well as minimal combination of the developers.
Okay. So what is your opinion? Which is better, DevOps or SRE?
Like it's personally like vary from person to person, like it's personal choice. In my perspective, I love to work in the SRE profile as I love to interact with customers as well. And in SRE profile, there are many like you got many chance to work with customer directly.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hello, sir. My name is Mehta Muksis, and my student ID is 22DC053. So I will ask you a few questions. So my first question is, how do you maintain your project quality in
How what I maintain? Sorry,
how do you maintain your project quality? It,
project quality.
yes.
So basically, like we are not responsible for like doing coding and providing the quality like software to the customer, but like our work is when like product is live. Let's take example of Facebook. So Facebook is live, then when time you see that there are new updates in the Play Store. So basically, our role is to like provide that update to the customer. So we are like
Okay.
one type of like DevOps engineer. So like we write CI/CD pipeline to do that. So in that perspective, like we are maintaining all by using Jira, and sometimes we use Trello as well. Like for implementing any new changes, first of all, we like create one foolproof plan with the backup plan as well. Like if any single little goes wrong, then we definitely have to backup for that. Otherwise, it will be big like disaster for the customer and for us as well. So like we create foolproof plan. Then after, like we divide the task between the teams. So like everyone will perform the task. In the end of the day, we perform Scrum, and we discuss the issues which like team members face to like resolve the issues. And yeah, the cycle is goes on.
Okay. So
Hello, sir.
how did you divide your work on project base?
That's basically a manager's job. That's not our core responsibility.
Okay, okay, so thank
Hello, sir. My name is Jeet and my ID is 22DC056. So, sir, my question is, what challenges do you face in implementing to software engineer practices?
For perspective of software engineer, I can't like answer perfectly as I never developed any software. But for perspective to DevOps or SRE engineer, I can answer that. So like few weeks back, we wrote some Jenkins code to deploy some of the infrastructure on the AWS. But suddenly AWS change is CLI version, and because of that, our like whole infrastructure broke down because we are using few AWS plugins, third-party plugins, which integrate Jenkins with the AWS. So in that case, we have to like update our code from like from the scratch, and we have to change many things, and it will like lead to escalation as well, because whenever like we start any type of work, then we have to commit the date, like before the date or before this particular time we can finish everything. But because of this major issue, we have to escalate that as well.
So, sir, as you mentioned, you have to commit and date. So what happens if you fail your task to, or means if you fail to submit your task in time? So, means how your company reacts on it?
It's like it depends on this scenario to scenario basis. Like if you have a legitimate reason, then like a company accept it because like a company knows better than you. Like because of any particular reason you fail to deliver the task. But if you like enjoy in the company time and you don't do any work, then yeah, definitely you will get the notice.
Jit, you may continue. Jit, your mic is off.
So, sir, how satisfied are you with your current software engineering practices or standards?
Sorry, how?
How satisfied are you with your current software engineering practices or standards as well?
Like I can say I'm totally satisfied with my job right now.
Okay, sir.
So, sir, as you said that the app or not the development part. So, means as you said in the apps like Instagram or that Facebook or the users gives the reviews. But if the project is client based, then how the conversation or the how the process goes between you and the client?
Yeah, I just provide the example of Facebook. Facebook is not our customer,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
let's take that example further. So like we deploy the app, like you as a customer download the app and you provide some reviews. So like Facebook, Facebook's one team is analyzed or data analyzing team which gather all the reviews. They create some insightful data from that review, and then after like higher panel will sit together, they create new plan like which new feature they want to implement, or because of which particular feature they are getting this negative or this positive review, and according to that they can add a new feature and they can remove existing feature as well. Then after they provide the requirement to our development team. Our development team basically write the code for that. Then our QA team comes into picture. They will test everything. Then after they provide us their particular code, then we create pipelines according to that. We create
mm.
and upgrade infrastructure according to that, and we push that code, particular code to that particular infrastructure, and make it live to the users.
So, okay, but as we know that AI is future, so does your company use AI or means it's purely means coding? Is that developers do the whole code?
Uh, as far as I know, currently too less people are using Chat GPT or something like that AI tools to
Mm,
get some help from them to write the code. But in most of the scenario, we created modules. So we create modules because we can use modules many times.
yeah.
So we
Mm.
create one XYZ module for one company, and if it's feasible, then we can use that module for
And can you say that what's the ratio for job in your part or in other parts like DevOps or developers or in that comparison? Can you tell something?
sorry, can you please repeat your question?
Means what is the ratio of SRE engineer job or front end or DevOps job
Uh,
in market?
um, it's different from company to company and project to project. Some project requires like 10 to 15 SRE, some project requires only one SRE or 2 to 3 SRE. So we
Mm,
can't calculate the ratio according to market, but like every company definitely needs DevOps and Agile SRE engineer, because
yes.
developer just write the code. Then after they need some people, some
Mm,
teams or some people who deploy that code to the customer, and troubleshoot the issue if customers are facing anything.
okay.
Sir,
So,
which software do you use for your work?
Like there are many softwares, for communication we are using Google Chat, For ticket management, we are using Jira. For task management, sometimes we are using Trello. For documentation purposes, we are using Confluence. So it's vary to vary from project.
Sir, I have a personal question. What form of job you like means online or offline means which we should prefer, or
Uh,
according to you, which we
Sorry,
should,
your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat?
sir, which mode of job do you prefer means remote work or to go in office and that all?
Uh,
Which
yeah.
mode?
Personally, I love to work from office because, at that place you meet your colleagues. In free time you play with them, and you share memories, and you discuss some new technologies, new ideas. So I like to work from office mostly.
Okay. So how you stay informed about your new technologies?
Uh, like as market grows, you definitely have to learn new technologies. Like even currently, I am learning
Yes.
to.
Yes.
Did company teaches any technology before you joining the that company?
Sorry, what you were saying?
Did company give you a training before joining the that
Uh,
particular company?
yep, in your eighth sem, company will provide you 6 months of training. In that period, they can teach you the technologies which helpful for the project and as well as your growth.
Sir, I think our questions are finished. So
Sir, my
I think
last
we can
question
conclude the
is,
meeting and thank you, sir.
sir, my last question is ChatGPT takes a software engineer places.
ChatGPT is also developed by the software engineers. So, as per my opinion, it will never happen to any AI tool will take your jobs because that tool is also made by the humans. So, human imagination is more powerful than any software.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
And sorry for
Thank you.
inconvenience in charging, sir, network issue.
No problem. It's happen with clients as well.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank